What's up, everyone? It's One Connect here, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Microsoft Excel. We're talking about those keyboard shortcuts that seem like hidden superpowers, the ones that can transform you from a spreadsheet struggler to an Excel ninja. Whether you're crunching numbers for work, school, or just trying to organize your life, these 30 shortcuts are about to change your workflow game. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about starting fresh. Instead of clicking through menus, just hit Ctrl plus N, boom, new workbook, ready to go. It's like magic, but for spreadsheets. Now you've got your new workbook, but what about those files you've already created? That's where Ctrl plus O comes in. This shortcut opens up the File Explorer, letting you navigate through your folders and find the exact spreadsheet you need. Ctrl plus S is your best friend. Hit it religiously after every major change, every time you enter important data. Ctrl plus Z, the undo button, your spreadsheet time machine. Made a mistake? Ctrl plus Z is here to save the day. It's like a rewind button for your spreadsheet, undoing those accidental clicks and keystrokes. Ctrl plus Y, redo, because sometimes you change your mind. It's the redo button, allowing you to bring back those actions you previously undid. Ctrl plus Tab, spreadsheet surfing, navigating multiple workbooks. This shortcut lets you effortlessly switch between open workbooks, just like you would with browser tabs. Ctrl plus F, find that needle in the spreadsheet haystack. This shortcut opens up the search bar, allowing you to quickly locate anything within your workbook, like share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Ctrl plus H, the Replace Master, transform your data instantly. Want to change all instances of Apple to orange in your spreadsheet? Ctrl plus H is here to make it happen. Ctrl plus Home, back to base instantly. Jump to cell A1. One press of this magical combination and you're instantly transported to cell A1, the top left corner of your spreadsheet. Ctrl plus N to infinity and beyond. Reach the bottom right corner. Ctrl plus End is your shortcut to the very end of your data. Ctrl plus B, bold statements making your text stand out. This one's a classic, instantly making your selected text bold and eye-catching. Ctrl plus I, italics, adding a touch of elegance. This shortcut italicizes your selected text, giving it a slightly slanted and elegant look. Ctrl plus U, underline the importance, a classic emphasis tool. This shortcut underlines your selected text, making it stand out from the crowd. Ctrl plus Shift plus plus, supersize me, increasing font size like a pro. With each press of this combination, your selected text grows larger, making it easier to read and impossible to miss. Ctrl plus Shift plus, shrinking things down. Decreasing font size. This shortcut shrinks your selected text with each press, giving you precise control over font size adjustments. Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than, right this way, right aligning your content. This instantly shifts your selected cells or text to the right side of the cell, creating a clean and organized look. Ctrl plus Shift plus less than. Left alignment, keeping things tidy. Similar to right alignment, Ctrl plus Shift plus less than aligns your selected content to the left. Ctrl plus Shift plus C, a center stage, perfectly centered content. This one centers your content perfectly within the cell, both horizontally and vertically. Ctrl plus Shift plus $. Money matters, applying currency formatting. This shortcut instantly applies currency formatting to your selected cells, adding dollar signs, commas, and decimal places where needed. Ctrl plus Shift plus %, percentage perfection, applying percentage formatting. This shortcut automatically adds a percentage symbol to your selected cells and formats them accordingly. Ctrl plus Enter formula filler, filling formulas with ease. After entering a formula, simply press Ctrl plus Enter to instantly copy it across the selected range of cells. Ctrl plus D, downward data duplication, filling series downwards. This shortcut quickly fills the selected cells below with the same content as the top cell. Ctrl plus R, rightward replication filling series to the right. This shortcut fills the selected cells to the right with the same content as the leftmost cell. Ctrl plus time traveler, inserting the current time. This shortcut instantly adds the current time to the selected cell, keeping your spreadsheets up to date and accurate. Ctrl plus date keeper, inserting the current date. This shortcut adds the current date to your selected cell, making it easy to track dates, deadlines, or simply timestamp your work. Ctrl plus formula peek, toggling between values and formulas. This shortcut toggles the display between showing the actual values in your cells and the underlying formulas. Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign, summation shortcut, adding up numbers in a flash. Simply select the cells you want to add, press this combination, and Excel will automatically insert the sum formula and calculate the result. Ctrl plus Shift plus subtract. Subtraction made easy, subtracting values effortlessly. This shortcut can be incredibly useful for quickly finding the difference between two numbers or ranges of cells. The Ctrl plus Shift plus asterisk multiply. Multiplication mastery, multiplying numbers like a pro. This shortcut automatically inserts a multiplication formula for your selected cells, making those calculations a breeze. Ctrl plus Shift plus divide, division domination, dividing numbers with ease. This shortcut automatically inserts a division formula, making it incredibly easy to divide one value by another. Excel like a pro, your shortcut journey begins now. And there you have it, the 30 essential Excel shortcuts that are about to transform the way you work with spreadsheets. Remember, the key to mastering these shortcuts is practice. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become, and the faster you'll be at conquering your spreadsheet tasks. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Our website, free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Check it here, or our digital products, check it here. Thanks for watching and happy excelling. Like what you see, share and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got everything from beginner basics to advanced strategies. Share the knowledge. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Want to learn more? Visit our website, link in the description, for in-depth articles and expert advice. We're here to help you level up your digital skills. Got feedback? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We're always looking for new ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time and stay safe.